So I want this to serve as a really quick reminder. We have a rule in the UIG of if something fundamentally hasn't changed, you do not sell, you buy more. I've been pretty public about different Arrow positions, the yields we've been earning on Arrow, the lending you can do with Arrow. And I'm a fan of Arrow. It's a small portion of my portfolio. It's not like 100% of my portfolio is in Arrow. But I had a lot of people freaking out. You should see some of the messages I've been getting of when this was happening. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. I sold. And we had a lot of people in the UIG who are just like, I've had these conversations all the time. Oh, I just bought some more. Ooh, I just bought some more. Ooh, I just bought some more. Those who remain steady, those who remain committed. Now again, you don't want to make any asset your total portfolio, but have a look at what happened here. And if you're someone, let me know in the comments if you're someone who sold it and you regret it. Let me know if you're someone who was thinking of getting in but you never did, or let me know if you're someone who was buying more. But this is a very natural pattern you see in crypto. The markets overall were tanking, and so alts take the biggest hit, and you see this happen. You see Bitcoin dropping, you see everything else dropping, but nothing has fundamentally changed. You see people finally here, they couldn't take it anymore, sold and dumped. Bought back, bought back, bought back. Over the last 7 days, we're up 60%. That takes people like 6 years, 7 years in traditional markets to get a return on. You made that in the last week. That's pretty dope. And over the last day, we're up 15%. That takes people 2 years to get in traditional markets. And over the last month, we're basically back to where we were a month ago. It would have been better off to just walk away from the computer and not touch it, or if you're really mastering this stuff, to get in and start dollar cost averaging back in. And how many people I had message me who were like, I'm out of the game. Bought Arrow and I'm down 40, 50, 60%. I can't take it anymore. I'm done. Arrow's crashing. And then they turn into haters of Arrow. But you know how common this is? Now, I'm not saying something, the narrative behind Aerodrome and it is super strong. The backing behind it is super strong, and nothing has fundamentally changed. Now, I'm not talking about some meme coin or something that's just destined to like freaking, this is healthy. This was a lot of hype. This is healthy. Like this isn't, if we can't handle this, then we've got to get our emotions in check. Let me know, give me confirmation that we're getting this in the comments below. So I will use this learning example. I will go back to this video. Next time I want to panic on something, I'm going to go back to this video and study it. Watch it, remind myself, right? Has something fundamentally changed? Or the market's doing what the markets are doing? Because 99% of the time, to just sit on your hands and do nothing is going to be better than doing something. Now, again, if the fundamentals change, if something happened, that's different. But the markets are just doing what the markets are doing. And if this volatility, I just want to be real, if this volatility in, let's just say Bitcoin or the markets overall this last month is like, oh my God, you ain't seen nothing yet. Because even in the deepest of the bull market, we can see a lot more volatility than this. Way more. And we will. And if this shakes you out, it's going to be really hard to make money in crypto. Confirm, like this video if you're like, yeah, I'm getting the message. I'm just being real. Being as real as I can. Use this as a reminder and a learning and just a reminder of like, hey, the markets are going to do what the markets are going to do. But if I'm invested in things, whether those are my pools, my positions, or whatever I'm in, and I'm a long-term bullish on this, and I'm invested in it because I believe in it, and the fundamentals are strong, then who cares what the markets do in the meantime? We've got to get beyond that. The markets will do what the markets do, but we got to get beyond it. Let the markets do what they do and just add more. You take profits when the markets are green, and you add back when the markets are red, rinse and repeat, and you'll have a longevity in the markets, and with that longevity comes massive return. You will get rich. Not overnight. Not overnight. But in time, you can build insane wealth. There's no other investment opportunity that presents what crypto presents. But you can't be a gambler, and I think traders overall lose. You've got to be in it for the long run, not a month, not 3 months, years. And if you're thinking decades, even better. Appreciate you. Just being real. I know it might come off as harsh, but I'm being real. I like this video if you receive the message and you like the realness. Subscribe to this channel if you want more like this. And I'm also going to leave 4 videos on the 4 corners of your screen to jump into. Study this stuff. This stuff can change your life. Full stop. If we're patient and we're strategic and we play the long game. With that said, appreciate you. See you in the next video. Peace.